We truly can't say this enough. As COVID-19 spreads, one of the most important things you can do to protect yourself is wash your hands.
Yeah, 13 News Now anchor Philip Townsend shows us how to do that properly.
According to a new study published in the Cochrane database of systematic reviews, washing your hands reduces your chances of contracting a respiratory illness by 54%. Look, I know for the most part you know how to wash your hands, but you could be missing a couple of important things. For starters, you need to go at least 20 seconds to get rid of bacteria. Some people sing a song like Happy Birthday to time it out. Scrub palm to palm, fingers interlaced, back of hands, back of fingers, fingernails, then wrists. The temperature of the water doesn't really matter that much. Hot water would have to be boiling to make a significant difference. Obviously, don't use that. Drying off your hands is also an important step. Simply shaking them off and walking away, that's no good. All you're doing is making it easier for germs to latch on. And before you leave a public bathroom, try and grab a paper towel for the door handle. You don't know if the person before you washed their hands. Finally, hand sanitizer. It's not necessarily bad for you, but you want to limit your use. Too often, and you could help bacteria build up a tolerance. For 13 News Now, I'm Philip Townsend.
Okay, Philip mentioned it. Hand sanitizer is a good buffer for when you can't wash your hands. Just don't overdo it. But it can be difficult to get hand sanitizer. So if you can't find it in a store, you can actually make your own instead. And here's a simple recipe. You'll need 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. That's hard to find too, actually. Make sure it's at least 70% alcohol concentration. If it's higher than that, mix it in a little water. And you'll also need 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. Just mix those together and fill a dispenser or container of your choice.
Tough choices being made because of the illness, how leaders at jails are making health a priority. Then why a lot of local dentists won't be telling you to open wide anytime soon. Those stories are just a few minutes away.
And time for another coronavirus fast fact. What should I do if I've been somewhere the virus is spreading? Self-isolate as soon as you feel sick and wear a mask if you go out.